Welcome. Today let's talk about how much YouTube paid me for 1.8 million views. This is actually 1,756,000 views. Now I'm going to review how much YouTube paid me for 1.8 million views, but before that, remember we have different RPM for different videos. Now my video is mostly about cryptocurrency, so anything that have to do with financial videos, you have a higher RPM. Now while anything have to do with other type of videos, we have videos like comedy videos. Most times see the RPM are like $1 or 1.50 dollars. But anything have to do with cryptocurrency, financial investment, you see the RPM, most times the RPM of $4, $10 or $20, depending on the type of videos you are actually creating. Now for my own channel, I got about 1,756,000 views, and YouTube actually paid me this, which is $3,333 for 1,756,000 views. So approximately, or like, okay, let's say 1.8 million views. Now my channel, I talk about cryptocurrency, even though when I started this channel it was about animals, so I have to switch over to cryptocurrency. So now cryptocurrency is something that have a higher RPM. Most of them, my personal RPM is mostly between $3 and $3.80. But sometimes there's some videos that always give me like $5 RPM. So RPM is kind of for every 1,000 views you get, YouTube pays me a minimum of $3 or $3.50. While there's some videos that I normally create, YouTube pays me about $6 for such videos. Now another thing is that if you are creating videos on YouTube, you have to choose the particular videos you want to create. Sometimes YouTube have to check your whole channel to know what your channel is mostly all about. Then you will see some higher RPM. It depends on the videos you are creating. But the truth is, if you are into financial videos, you are likely to get higher RPM. While some people who are into real estate also have higher RPM. So for me, if you want to create a videos, and there's some, I think one of my friends got about 5 million views on his channel. His channel is all about prank. Now YouTube paid him a total of $1,800. Now remember I said he has 5 million views and he got $1,800. While my channel is about financial channel, cryptocurrency, I got 1,756,000 views and YouTube paid me $3,333. You can see this one have a higher views with low payment, while my channel have a lower views with higher payment. So in my next video, I'll be revealing how much YouTube paid me for some particular video, and also in the past in 2022 and also in the past 365 days. So please kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button in order not to miss our next videos. Please, if you have any question, please kindly drop your question in the comment section below, and I'm ready to reply and answer all your questions. Once again, thank you for stopping by.